What's going on, class? Let's go ahead and jump into a lecture on the North Central Plains. Yes, we're going to be talking about the North Central Plains. So our objective states that students will be able to explain the geographic makeup of the North Central Plains. So as we get into it, the North Central Plains, just like it states, North Central. So this green area on the map is the area that the North Central Plains make up. Now, what we're going to do is, we're going to break the North Central Plains down into a smaller sub-regions or smaller parts. So here are our three parts. The Grand Prairie, the Cross Timbers, and the Rolling Plains. So let's look at the Grand Prairie. So the Grand Prairie, it has a wet and mild climate. The Grand Prairie has thin soil. It is covered by grass, shrubs, and small trees. It is very well suited for raising livestock, especially cattle. Also, goats, hogs, poultry, and sheep are raised in the Grand Prairie. It has a limited crop production because of its thin soil. So that means that you can only grow certain types of crops there. So it's not big for farming. And then within the Grand Prairie, Fort Worth is the largest city. And also Fort Worth is known for, it's like a transportation center for like all things dealing with livestock and farm produce, all of that stuff. This is going to be a short, we're not going to be super long today. So let's go ahead and look at the Cross Timbers. On your map right here, we have the Cross Timbers. The Cross Timbers are made up of two belts of forest land divided into what is the Eastern Cross Timbers and Western Cross Timbers. The Cross Timbers are known for trees. So you have elms, hickory, post oak, blackjack oak, cedar, hickory, mesquite, pecan, and other types of post oak trees that grow in this area. The cross timbers have sandy soils, and the sandy soils of the cross timber absorbs water very well, making it a particularly good place for farming. Farmers grow crops ranging from peanuts to corn, cotton, and hay. It's known for ranches, so you have ranchers that raise cattle, horses, and sheep. All right, the last one that we have is the Rolling Plains. The Rolling Plains are located in the westernmost part of the Central Plains. It's very grassy, so grass covers most of its hilly terrain. It has thin soils, and the thin soils of the region support some of the brush, hardwood trees, and mesquite trees. It is also well suited for cattle ranching. Farmers grow cotton, sorghum, and wheat. Abilene and Wichita Falls are the largest cities in the Rolling Plains. And that's all for our lecture today. Go ahead and complete your assignment. Let me know if you guys have any questions.